This flowchart is completely made by AI and normally it takes hours to create. But now it took less time than the time needed to make a cup of coffee. Let me show you how. And to show you how fast it is, I will make a cup of cappuccino at the same time, set the timer on the screen for comparison, and then you'll see who's faster. I created this diagram with Mermaid AI, which is the dedicated AI of MermaidChart. Mermaid AI is like the ChatGPT for diagrams, and it can create any diagram from your text input. And you don't have to do any difficult work. You just need to describe what you want to see. Let's open it up, go to MermaidChart.com and log in. And then just click on Start Editing. Oh, and by the way, if you don't have an account yet, don't worry, because you can simply create a free account. And if you do decide that you want to have the pro version, you're in luck. Because I've reached out to the MermaidChart team and they have provided me with a code for 10% off. Alright, so after signing in, click on Create a new AI diagram to open Mermaid AI, which is over here. Click. And this is the new interface of the AI chat of MermaidChart. And the first thing that I notice is that it looks quite similar to the interface of ChatGPT. Here you'll see a few sample prompts that allow for quick diagram creation and inspiration. And here is a text box where we can actually enter our prompts. And here you'll see how many free messages you'll have remaining before you have to upgrade to the pro version. And here at the top there's a switch to go to the editor mode, but more on that later. Alright, so I'll show you how to get started and to create a diagram completely from scratch. When you want to create any diagram, the prompt that you enter should be descriptive. You should mention the type of diagram, what kind of tasks, processes and even actors that should be part of it. And if it's, a common process like making coffee or ordering at a restaurant, buying shoes online, the AI will do a perfect job by filling in the blanks. If it's an unknown process, maybe something within your company, you might need to be more descriptive. Let's go for an example. In this case, we want a flowchart that tells us about all the steps required to make a delicious cappuccino. And because I don't like boring flowcharts, I want to spice it up a little bit. Let's mention that the AI should add colors and emojis to make the flowchart, more fun. Now let's see who's faster, me actually making the cappuccino or Mermaid AI creating these steps on how to make this delicious cup. 3, 2, 1, go! So in the meantime, let's enter the following prompt. Create a flowchart diagram that shows all the steps required to make a cup of cappuccino with an espresso machine, add colors and emojis to make the diagram more fun, and press enter. And as you can see, the diagram is already finished. Let's have a look. It says gather ingredients, fill the water reservoir, add the coffee beans, temp the coffee grounds, preheat the machine, pull the espresso shot, froth the milk, assemble the cappuccino, add sweetener if desired, and add toppings and enjoy. I guess that was to be expected, right? Well, at least now I have a delicious cup of cappuccino and a finished flowchart diagram. But in my defense, I've actually performed a few more steps than were actually mentioned in this diagram. I mean, you also should clean, right? And you should make sure that the coffee grounds are even. So let's make sure that those will be included too. And for that, we're going to edit the diagram. And editing these AI diagrams is actually super simple. You don't have to start over at all when you get something that you don't like. You can just type in the chat what you want to see changed. Just pretend as if you're talking to a friend that is making the diagram for you. So if I want Mermaid AI to include all those steps that I performed, like leveling the coffee grounds and actually cleaning the machine before I get in trouble, we can simply type this in the chat box and Mermaid AI will add those steps for us. Look, just simply type, before temping the coffee grounds, add leveling the coffee grounds with the WDT tool, and after creating the cappuccino, add cleaning the machine, because that is very important. And then just hit enter, and voila, the diagram is already finished. So let's have a look. And as you can see over here, level coffee grounds with WDT tool is added, and all the way here at the bottom, cleaning the machine. And as you can see, even the emojis and the colors has been added as well. I wish that all my friends would listen to me this well. And this works for small changes, but you can also completely change the type of diagram by simply asking. So if you want to change this flowchart to, let's say, a Gantt chart, just ask. So let's do that. Please change this diagram to a Gantt chart. enter, and there you go, it's already finished. And as you can see, it has now been changed to a Gantt chart. And you can even click on see more details to see the logic behind it. And the cool part that differentiates this AI with all of the AIs I've used before is that if you want to make changes yourself, you can also just click on the editor tab that I told you about earlier. And then you can just change the diagram to your liking. So simply click here on edit, and then as you can see, it just opens the diagram in an editor mode. And here you can just simply edit the diagram by typing new lines, or you can use the visual editor on the right. But who has time for that? I mean, I would just suggest letting Mermaid AI figure it all out for you. So, you know, you have time to drink a cup of coffee. Cheers! Also, if you don't know what kind of diagrams are supported by the application, or you just want to get some inspiration, simply type what kind of diagrams are supported, and voila, you get a list of all the diagrams. And of course, you can also just click on these sample prompts to get some inspiration. For example, this one, mind map for animals. But they do kind of have to fit your use case. So if they don't, well, try to refresh the page, because then you'll get new ones. Create a mind map of various animals with emojis. And there we have it. Animal kingdom, turtles, mammals, parrots, birds. Kind of cool. And I think that it would be actually quite cool if MermaidChart would allow you to set your custom starter prompts, because that could save you a lot of time. So Mermaid team, if you're watching. Alright, so let's get back to the coffee diagram. And my diagram is done, so now we can actually click on export, which is over here. And when you click on export, you have export as PNG or SVG. But there's also one more feature, and you can click on replace and edit to open it up in the editor. And then there are even more advanced sharing features. Because over here we have share, to share the diagram via URL, or you can even invite team members to work on the diagram together. So that is perfect for organizations. But if you want to know more about that, just simply check out the walkthrough video, which is in the description below. Oh, and a little tip here. If the diagram shows any errors, simply select the code on the left side, copy it, and then paste it again. Because then the diagram refreshes. I've noticed that my browser sometimes doesn't update the things properly, and this seemed to fix it. And there you have it, the fastest way to create any kind of diagram by using AI. And if you want to see more videos on creating diagrams with the help of AI, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey friend, YouTube thinks that you want to see this video next, so go and watch it.